What's going on, people? Porch Light here. Now, like the last video that you may actually end up seeing sooner than later. Oh, why is this like this? That you may actually see a couple days before this one. But I just had to come out here and show y'all. So I just took these out the greenhouse. And let me stand back. Nasturtiums. Y'all, I grew all of this by seed. All of that. This stuff too, but just not from inside. All of this stuff was from seed, y'all. First time growing borage from seed, nasturtiums from seed. And I haven't had too much luck with eggplants, but as you see, y'all, this is the best situation from seed, from inside the house to outside I've ever had. And y'all can go back in my videos from about 3 years ago, and I had the grow light set up. I had everything, y'all. But I have not had this much success. Now, I don't know if it's because I waited to actually put them out or what, but just standing back and seeing all this stuff the way that it is amazing. So look, I don't know how the succession of these videos gonna go. You may end up seeing this tonight, today, I don't know. But just know that all this was grown by seed, y'all. And the point of this video, because I was cut off by an alarm on my phone, is that patience is a virtue. And you can grow anything as long as you put your mind to it. Now I gotta attach this to the end of the last portion, which is always it's a pain, but it is what it is, y'all. This is what I do for y'all. Love y'all. Porch Light out.